Good morning, Falling Waters, Davis Boulevard. This is Bob Mangino. Today is November 11th, and the purpose of this video today is to go over the sales activity of two-bedroom condos with a carport in Falling Waters. We'll be looking at what the median list price is. We'll be looking at the median sales price is, and we'll be looking at the median days on market, which is basically the time to contract. Currently for this category, the two-bedroom condos with carport in Falling Waters, we currently have 9 listings that range from $350,000 to $415,000. The median list price of these 9 listings is $386,000. The median sales price for these condos was $335,000. We did have one investor quick sale, which is not a normal sale, during the last 120 days, and that went for $257,000. The days on market, or the time it took to get a contract, was 252 days. In conclusion, we had a median list price of $386,000, a median close price of $335,000, and a days on market or time to contract of 252 days. If you are thinking about listing your condo in Falling Waters, Davis Boulevard, and would like to know a good price point to market your condo, you can schedule a complimentary Zoom call with me where we can go over a comparative market analysis for recent closed sales, and we can go over an Altos research data sheet which shows current market trends. If this is something to be interesting to you, you can give me a call at 404-242-6498, or else you can email me at bobmangino@gmail.com. Hope to hear from you. Take care and have a good day.